Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. You can find me, of course, on Twitter at Big Cheds and on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idea of a spring. And a spring is essentially a false breakdown, what it means and how to play it. Here is a brief description from my fourth book, The Trading Journal. You can pause and take a look at that if you'd like. Of course, as I mentioned, this is from The Trading Journal. So what is a spring? It's a false breakdown, and there's several examples, but we'll use the Bitcoin chart. It's a very simple technique where if you're looking to go long, but the price is under pressure and is moving down, what you can do is identify a prior support level and watch to see when that support level is recaptured, right? So here's a prior support level. The price is coming down. Okay, it's lost it. You're keeping an eye out for a momentum reversal where you see essentially a false breakdown. So we can look here on Bitcoin and see what we're talking about. We see the price advanced, price set a low, price advanced into resistance, and it began to retrace again. It began to break down. Now this movement here, as we can see, is a movement against the trend. It's an uptrend. So we have a movement against the trend, which sets you up or should tell you to start looking for a potential trade idea. And then as the price approaches here, we know we are testing support. You can drop to a lower time frame. Now we drop to a 4-hour time frame and we look at structure. And as you can see here, the price tested the support level and it broke through it. And we had some nice volume as bulls stepped in. What did bulls do? Recaptured lost support. Price recaptured lost support, even did a minor or a local throwback or a retest of that level. And this provided you a very simple long entry. So this is the spring thesis. This is one of the easiest ways to take a long position as you identify an uptrend that has just started to dip. You look for a price level such that the recapture of that price level would give you a long entry, and you use that. So the spring is a wonderful, simple technique to take a long. You can define your risk based on that price level when it's recaptured. This is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. Find me, of course, on Twitter at Big Cheds, and you can catch me at Bitcoin Live. Folks, thank you so much. I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.